guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Dollskill haul. Now I always seem to find hidden gems in Dollskill. It's a bit of a crazy website, but I've got to say I just love their stuff, and I've got quite a little selection of items, a bit of a range this time, so it should be a fun haul, but I do hope you're all doing well, and let's get to it. So here's the lovely box of bits and bobs. It got a bit crushed in delivery, but everything's fine inside, which is the main thing. So I'm just going to grab the first item and we can have a look. So I thought I would start with the non-clothing item. So I got this really cute shell. It's called a choker, but I would say it's a little bit longer, but it's just this really cute shell necklace, and it's got little gold charms on it, and I love that sort of thing. Anything to do with natural history or earth science, I'm all over. And if you guys are into that type of thing, check out my other channel, because I'm a geologist and I do videos all about fossils as well. So if you're into that stuff, I'll link it down below. I'm going to put this on now if I can find space to do it up with all my hair. Because it doesn't look too tight. Like I normally think of a choker as like tight up my neck, whereas this I would class more as a necklace. Maybe I'm mistaken. Here's the troubles of having to do up your own necklaces. Come on. There we go. I think I've done it. Oh, doesn't that just look so cute? I love that, because I don't really wear much gold, but I want to start wearing it a bit more, and I just think that's so sweet, very elegant. It's just a subtle touch. So this necklace is $12, I think, so it's not much in pounds, but I just think that is just the sweetest little necklace, especially in the summer with a tan. Love it. So that's the first item. I'll hop to the next. So the first piece of clothing I'm going to show you guys, I actually got it in 2 colours, and I'm pretty sure it comes in 3 colours, but the only reason I didn't get the 3rd colour is because it was out of stock. It comes in like a fuchsia pink, which I would love, so I'm waiting for that to be restocked. But this is the one I got. It's just this gorgeous kind of forest green, and it's almost a suede effect, the fabric, so it's so soft to touch. And I just thought that is just such a nice sort of nice structured little crop top to wear with jeans or skirts. And I actually have a real suede leather skirt in like emerald green like this, and I think they're just going to match together perfectly. So I just thought that's something a bit different, and the quality of it is just beautiful. And so I thought I would pick it up in black as well, just because I thought this would look lovely with my black coated jeans, which I wear all the time. So I thought this would actually be really lovely and something I'd wear, and it's got a lovely zip that goes all the way down the back, and I think it actually looks lovely, that zip. So no, I really like these, and they're darted down the sides, and they have kind of like a square neckline, so we'll see what they fit like. I got them both in a size, what did I do? Size small, and they're $25 each, but they just feel amazing. They just have that suede effect, and I love velvet, I love suede, so I love these. So hopefully they'll fit as nice as they look, but I'm hopeful. Yeah, I really wasn't joking when I said I had a real leather suede green skirt that could match. I'm not sure if they're like, they literally are a perfect match, but also slightly not. So I can't tell if they're clashing right now or if it looks like it was made to go together. Maybe it needs a belt. I don't know, but look at the fit of this top. I love the square neckline. The material is just beautiful. It just fits amazingly, and I love the darting down the side. It's just so well made, and it's just something a bit different, and I like the neckline kind of comes a little bit higher than I would normally wear, so it's really quite modest but really cute at the same time. So no, I really like this top. I'm not sure if it goes with my wacky skirt, that I literally found this at a boot sale for £2. It was such a bargain, and it's actually a really nice skirt, and I got it when I was a lot smaller than I am now. I know I'm not big right now, but the waist definitely fits me better than it did when I bought it. But yeah, let me know what you think of this green one. I think, does it go with the skirt? Let me know. But I'm gonna hop to the black one, which obviously is going to fit exactly like this one, but might have a different look. So this is how the black one fits, and I just love it. I always wear little black crop tops with pretty much everything, so this one just will add a little bit of something different to an outfit, because it just is a different texture, and I really love this sort of fork suede kind of material. It's lovely, and I really like the silver zip as well. I think that just adds to the black one. I think it's just beautiful, and I would wear it with silver jewellery, like a nice statement necklace. No, I just love the neckline. I love the top, so no, I'm really chuffed with this. I'm gonna pray the pink one comes back in stock in my size, and I'm gonna scoop that right up. Next thing I got is a velvet bodysuit. Now, just look at the colour of this. It's so rich, and it's like burgundy with these kind of like balloon sleeves, but then what I like about these sleeves is they go small at the end, so it's not like I'm gonna dip them in my food or anything like that. They can kind of be baggy and then go small again, which is lovely. So it's a bodysuit, so it'll look lovely under jeans. I think it doesn't look to be a thong back, so we'll see how it looks under jeans. I like things not to have lines, so hopefully that fits quite smooth underneath, but the quality of this is beautiful. This is on the pricier side, so this one is $42, but I mean, just look at that colour. It's so rich. I love it, and I love anything crisscross. Like that sort of neckline, I just love it. And I really like my textures, like velvet, suede, corduroy, I'm all over it, so love that. Right, let's see how this fits. I'm not sure about the stitching directly under the cups. That stitching there. It might look absolutely fine, but I don't know if you guys can see that off of a body. I'll put it on and we'll see. It might be absolutely fine, but I fell in love with this colour. It's just so beautiful. So hopefully it'll fit as nice as it looks. So this is what it fits like, and I'm just in love. Like, look at how it catches the light. It just fits beautifully. I don't think the stitching even shows at all. I'm not sure if, I think it goes with leather coated jeans or wax coated jeans. Let me know what you would wear this with. Like, it's so just gorgeous on its own, but I kind of need to wear something with it. The base of the bodysuit, it's kind of like a Brazilian cut, so it doesn't show through clothes, but it also isn't like paper cutting me, so it's actually just gorgeous. And I love these sleeves, like, look at that. And I just mean, that neckline is so flattering. I love everything about this, like everything. Just look at that colour. I'm just going to wear this all the time. This is just, it's such nice quality and it fits so beautifully, and it's just, there's something just special about it. So no, I'm really chuffed with this one. I love this piece. But let me know what you think, but I just love it. Next piece I got, I'm sticking with all the funky textures. It's a corduroy jumpsuit, and I love anything corduroy, and to find burnt orange corduroy is just amazing. And I've got to say, some of my favourite pieces, like corduroy pieces that is, are from Dollskill, and they're such quality, they last really long, and they're just so funky. Like, they do such bright colours. I love it. So I'm hopeful for this one. Obviously it's a bit of a fight with jumpsuits to get the fit right. It's probably better for me to get, you know, corduroy trousers and a corduroy jacket that matches, and then you can like hoist the jeans up, but we'll see how it fits, just because you can't obviously move where the waistband is, if that makes sense, so the bum might not fit right, etc. But we'll see what it looks like on. It is just amazing. The quality is fabulous. It's stretch corduroy, which is lovely, and it just feels really nice. And I mean, this colour, I love it. So this is on the pricier side, so I'm intrigued about the fit. It's $78, which is, you know, it's a lot, but it's not too much for, you know, a nice quality corduroy jumpsuit. So let's see what it looks like on. Okay, so I've got it on. Not sure on this one. I think I kind of look like an Oompa Loompa or a prisoner. Haven't quite decided which one yet, but I just think it doesn't quite fit how I want it to fit. Like, the back of it, you know, the waist is way too big for me, so it kind of sticks out the back, but because I can't, like, they're not separate items, so I'm trying to make it work as a jumpsuit, but you can't adjust like the trousers or the top, you just have to deal with it as it is. So I mean, I love the colour of it, I love the corduroys, the legs fit really nice, but then it just kind of all gets a bit of a mess round here. I think I need to disconnect the top from the trousers, but looking at how it is, I need to like cut the top of the trousers into the jacket, so that would mean I wouldn't be able to keep the jeans and the top. I don't know, let me know what you think about this one, but I don't think it's my best fit in jumpsuit terms. So yeah, I think I'd wear it more just as a jacket, I think, than as a jumpsuit. But I haven't fully decided on this one. I need to kind of wear it for a few hours and decide if it's, you know, something I need to alter or just keep it as it is. So let me know what you think, but yeah, I think I need to do something to it. Something just doesn't quite click with it as it is, but this is what it looks like. The next thing I got is a denim top, and it's just, I just love it. So it's got like eyelet detailing underneath the cups, and it's in white denim, and this is gonna look, so, if it fits, so beautiful with my, if you guys have watched my Levi jeans video I did a few weeks back, I got these gorgeous white Levi's with seams going down the front, and it's got like silver detailing buttons down the front, and this with that is just gonna look like it was made to be together. So I'm excited to see if this rocks with that, but that's what I had in my head when I ordered this one, so I'm really excited to see how this fits. But it's a halter, so you can tie it around your neck, and then it just has a nice clasp around the back. And this is from Sugar Thrills, I believe, which is kind of like another brand that sells through Dollskill. And price wise, let's have a look. How much was it? Don't think it was too bad. $38, and there is a matching, I think it's a matching denim skirt that goes with this, but I much prefer like denim shorts or like a denim skirt. Denim skirts, that I've only got one that is like a decent length for me. The rest are just kind of, they're just quite stiff, and I always find they ride up, so I much prefer like having the shorts for security, or denim jeans, because I have gorgeous white denim jeans now that I just think are going to look so cute with this. So let's first see if it fits, but I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful. I love this one. This is how it fits, and I think it's such a cute fit. I love everything about it pretty much. I think a halter neck is just so, it's kind of like stylish, but also just really flattering, and I love the little detailing of the eyelets, and I think being backless is just going to be so cute for spring and summer. And I think it works with, you know, denim jeans, or it'll look really cute with like denim shorts, or maybe even a skirt as well. So it's quite versatile being white denim, and I just love it. I think it's just something a little bit different, but really, really cute. So I love this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the bits and bobs I got. I'm actually really chuffed with this haul. Like, the stuff is just so funky, and I can definitely make that corduroy jumpsuit work. So a little bit of fiddling, but I think it will be fine. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Look after yourselves. I'll link all my social media in the description box below if you'd be interested in any of that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.